How to make Keto Blueberry Spinach Smoothie. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: ½ cup full-fat canned coconut milk, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup baby spinach, 3/4 cup frozen blueberries, half medium avocado, peeled plus pitted, 23-gram pea protein, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, shelled. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Combine all of the ingredients together in a blender. Save some blueberries for a garnish. Blend until smooth. 3. Pour into glasses. Garnish with blueberries. And enjoy immediately. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Blueberry Spinach Smoothie. Each serving comes out to be 302 calories, 23.4 grams fat, 9 grams net carbs, and 13.9 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.